Hi, Samuel Leeds here, and in this video I wanted to address specifically those people that are in debt. So if you're in debt right now and you're thinking, oh my gosh, before I even think about becoming financially free, I need to become debt free, and before I even think about investing in property, I need to get rid of all these debts, then this video really is for you, so stay tuned. So, as we're talking about debt, I just wanted to spell out the difference between good debt and bad debt. Because sometimes people think they're in debt when actually it's good debt, so it's okay. Let me explain the difference. Good debt is when you've borrowed money to invest in an asset. Bad debt is when you've borrowed money to invest in a liability. Good debt is okay, bad debt is awful. Now, I'll give you an example. If you've borrowed money to buy a property investment, that's good debt. That's called a mortgage. It's a never-ending spiral, and it's a downward spiral, and it's a very, very common problem in this country, and I get asked about it a lot. So good debt is okay. Most successful businesses, most entrepreneurs run off good debt. Bad debt is a terrible, never-ending spiral. So if you're in bad debt right now, let's say you've got, I had a friend, and he was in £16,000 worth of bad debt. And he said to me, you know, what am I supposed to do? I've got £16,000 worth of bad debt. He said, you know, it's going to take me ages to pay this debt off. So what do I do? How do I start? And what I said to him is that what you focus on expands. So if you're in debt, the very worst thing that you can do, and this is what he was doing, is focus on the problem. Focus on the debt. Because if you do that, what you focus on expands. So what I tend to tell my students to do is, instead of focusing on the debt, instead of focusing on the problem, to focus on the solution. To focus on making money rather than paying off the debt. So I advised him to do this, and I said to him, look, don't think about the debt. And in fact, what he did, I told him to set up a standing order where he would pay the debt off each month. I told him to cut up his credit cards and banned him from ever borrowing any money again, which was going to be used for investing in a liability. And we set up a standing order for him. And I said, now forget it. It's done. It's finished. Now you can never think about it again, and you can solely focus on investing in property, on making money. And you know what? Within literally, I think it was 14 months, he was completely debt-free because he was focusing now on the solution. He was making more money, his standing order was going on, and after about 6 months he reviewed it and he upped the standing order, and it was completely gone. So if you're in debt right now, don't write yourself off. Don't think you need to pay it all off before you start, before you become a property investor. Don't use it as an excuse. Don't get yourself so wrapped up and let it obsess your mind that you're in debt. Just set up a standing order, pay it off slowly, and then move on and focus on being a property investor, an entrepreneur, a problem solver. So I hope that's helpful. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you benefited from that video, please do share it with your family and friends. For more videos like it, you can watch right here. And if you'd like to spend 2 days with me at the Property Investors Crash Course, watch this video, see what happens. But whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you next time.